This is the story of Captain Star, the greatest hero any world has ever known. Captain Star journeyed the universe in his ship, the Boiling Hell. His orders, to discover new worlds, name them after himself, and then sell them things. One day, the Boiling Hell arrived at the ragged edge of the universe, where Captain Star and his crew, Navigator Black, Atomic Engine Stoker Linz Jones, and First Officer Scarlet, waited for orders from Mission Control. And waited, and waited, and waited.
Halibut surprise for the captain, please.
Oh, coming right up. Captain!
Ah, Black. I'm finding it increasingly difficult to get up in the mornings. I've moved my bed in here so that I don't miss any meals.
Yes, Captain.
Put the food down there. Wake me when it's cooled, would you?
It's a very common condition among heroes, sir. They often feel that it's not worth getting up unless they're going to save the universe. With that in mind, I've invented the atomic alarm clock. It's wired to the ship's missile silo. When the alarm goes off here, the missile launchers are primed. You then have exactly 21 minutes to get from bed to the bridge.
Only 21.
Otherwise, the missile will be launched. I have taken the liberty of aiming the missile at Mission Control, Captain. Mission Control is the largest object in creation. If you don't switch off the missile in time, it'll be destroyed along with thousands of innocent lives.
Excellent, Scarlet. Now, if you don't mind.
21 minutes to save Mission Control and thousands of innocent lives. Help, Captain Star, help. Please wake up, Captain Star. Are you awake yet, Captain Star? Captain... Help, Captain Star. Are you awake yet, Captain Star? Captain...
Captain, look!
Can't stop now, Jones.
A model rocket. It's the Boiling Hell. Just like the real thing, but smaller. You must have a look, Captain.
20 minutes to prevent missile attack on Mission Control.
I suppose I can give you a few minutes.
The emergency merchandise delivery chute fires miniature garden furniture. It's got everything except the missile.
Not much of a toy without a missile.
It even flies, Captain, or it should do. That's odd. It should be flying. Right? Why isn't anything happening?
Well, if you'll excuse me, Jones, I must go and save thousands of innocent lives. Stop! Jones! Stop it!
I'm trying, Captain. It wasn't supposed to work this well.
19 minutes until missile launch. Are you awake, Captain Star? Captain Star?
It's gone.
Thousands of innocent lives will be lost, and we sit here, helpless to do anything, marooned.
And it's all my fault.
Quite.
Oh, marooned and without a rocket.
That's what marooned means, Black.
Well, I'm sure the captain could still save the day, if he had a rocket, that is.
I blame me.
So do I.
So do I. So do I. And me. Me too.
Could we order a new rocket from Mission Control?
In a very short time, Mission Control will be a heap of weightless rubble.
Oh, yes. More coffee?
Marooned. Disgraced.
I'm tired.
What's the use?
Table for two. I'm Stab. Sorry about the wall. That old rocket of mine tends to fly away with you.
Rocket?
Good heavens, Captain Star! What are you doing in bed, man? It's a lovely day in space.
Rocket?
There she is. The Curdled Glory. Fattest ship of her class. What do you think?
No fatter than the boiling hell, I should think. Certainly not.
Men, get on board. Full speed ahead. We have, 17 minutes or so to save the universe.
17 minutes, no problem. I've helped you out of sticky situations before now, Star.
Really? How's that,
Bloater. Surely you remember. Back at the Captain's Academy. Sticky situation?
Could someone dispose of this for me? It's very sticky.
Me, I will. He noticed me.
Captain, I've picked up the Boiling Hell's homing beacon.
But Captain, it's coming from the Junk Nebula.
Terrific! The Junk Nebula! Mysterious and deadly repository of all the junk in creation. This is the life, Star!
Of course, no one has ever gone into the Junk Nebula and come out alive.
My kind of odds.
You are the one.
I knew